Hi guys, welcome back to Gizbosh YouTube channel. We hope you all are doing good and staying safe. We all are aware of the ongoing crisis due to COVID-19 pandemic in India. With all the state governments imposing lockdown, it has become a concern amongst the users to apply for a movement pass or an e-pass. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a movement pass during lockdown in Haryana. So, let's begin. India is currently witnessing a new wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, and the rising number of the active cases is a big concern. This surge in the COVID-19 infection spread has caused a panic situation across the country. The health system has been struggling to handle all the emergencies at hand. The internet is flooded with reports citing a shortage of oxygen supply as well as beds. Looking at the situations, Delhi and other states already announced lockdowns and weekend curfews to curb the spread of COVID-19. Delhi announced its first weekend curfew back in April, followed by a full lockdown. Only essential services have been made accessible during this period. Haryana also followed in the footsteps and, like other states such as UP, Goa, Maharashtra, etc., has extended its weekend lockdown. The week-long lockdown came into effect starting May 13 and is extended till May 17. Speaking of the numbers, Haryana has already recorded over 5 lakhs COVID-19 cases as of now and has recorded over 4,000 patients' death. The active cases have surged over 1 lakh by now, which have called further for this lockdown situation. The public movements have been restricted and you need a valid reason to go outside your house if you are residing in Haryana. While the essential services are allowed, you will still need an e-pass for your movement. You can use the online platforms to register for an e-pass. So what is the easy way to apply for an e-pass in Haryana during lockdown? Take a look. You can easily register for an e-pass for movement in Haryana online. Simply open a web browser and type in edisha.gov.in. Once you are on the website, go to the movement pass page and you will see a form wherein you will need to fill in all the necessary details for registration. By default, the category is set to emergency services. You can select what kind of services you will be going out for from the subcategory. Complete the form and make sure you have the Arogya Setu app downloaded before you have complete registration process. You will need to fill in personal details such as name, age, mobile number and Aadhaar card number, etc. Lastly, enter the numeric code at the bottom of the page and click on submit to apply for the e-pass.
That would be all for now. We will be bringing you all the latest technology trends just for you in the coming days as well. So, if you don't want to miss out on any new technology news, make sure you like and subscribe to Gizbosh YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.